Today, we are very lucky to have Dustin Saldariaga, Senior Associate at the firm, with a wealth of TN visa experience.
If you are a national of Canada or Mexico, and you're coming to the US to work for an employer, usually the TN would be the first option to consider, just because it is so quick and straightforward a process.
So, for what professions then can someone receive a TN visa?
The list of professions, the place that we as immigration lawyers will always go to is the regulations. You either need one of these undergraduate degrees, baccalaureate or licenciatura. You would see if your profession is listed on the list, and if it is, you would see what the qualification is and how you satisfy it. Other documentation, of course, you need a passport. It needs to be a passport from Mexico.
Does a TN visa require sponsorship by the US employer?
No, a TN doesn't require sponsorship. What a TN requires is a simple letter from the employer that explains what the job duty, what the role is, what the job duties are, what the intended pay is, what the intended period of employment is. It should bear an original signature from someone who has authority at the US employer. The requirements that the government places on the employer in a TN context are much lower than they are in a typical sponsorship relationship. The other thing I'll just add is part-time is also okay on a TN. That's a common question. So, and that's really it. Again, it's a fairly simple and straightforward application. You want